Okay, enhancement two. I'm gonna try and go through this quick. So first thing, all the SQL statements are in a single file named enhancement two. So here's my enhancement two. It's in a SQL folder, and which is also in the Acme folder. And I got the insert client for the Tony Stark. So the first one, the second one, update inventory, and then create a inner join, and then delete from inventory. When I guess the only way for me to show that it works would be to reload the database and do all that. I don't really know that I have the time for that, so I guess here would be my way of doing and showing you. It's Stark, and obviously that was updated. It was really set up as one. And I think the way I would go into the inventory would be to go into inventory and find the climbing rope, and see here, I can show that for oops. Scroll that over. It leaves climbing or changes climbing rope, but doesn't change nylon. So I know that was an important part. Let's see here. Selecting the miscellaneous statements, I have those, and then deleting whatever kind of car that is from the database. I think that was in categories. No, that was in inventory. Yeah, inventory name. Trying to look for that car, and it is not in there. There it is. So not in there. Okay, so all of those work. Okay, now database connection. I think what I'll just do is go there. Let's see here. Okay. Got a connections PHP. It's in a library folder, which is in Acme. And then the connection function works. I think the way to do that would go here and then just click test the browser, which pulls up here. And because it's blank, that means it works. But if I wanted to, I'll break it, which is doing that. And then I'll click the browser again. And I guess I didn't save it fast enough. Let's try that again. It should have broken. Well, it is broken. I changed it from Acme to there. I figured out what I was doing. I had this commented out, and that's the way to test it. So I uncommented that. I broke it up here. Browser shows my server error thing. Thanks for bearing with me. Okay. It looks like my final point on here was that all of those were demonstrated in this video. There you go.